Good afternoon. My name is Manish Misra, and today I am going to tell you about the project. My project title is School Management System. In this system, you can easily maintain the records of the students, teachers, and fees details, etc. It is also helpful for those parents who check the activities of their students, like their attendance or doing assignment, quizzes, etc. In this project, I use two software. First one is Visual Studio, and another one is MySQL database. Store the data into the database. Let's move to my project, and I am showing to you. So let's first of all save. It takes some time to run, therefore wait a minute. This is my first, or you say, main page. In this there are three things: registration, login, exit. Registration for those who are new user and they doesn't have account, then he can direct go to the registration and enter the details. Just take an example. In this you have to create a different or unique username or a password through which you can log in. For example, I want to create a username, and after that create password, whatever password you want to, then select any user type. After that click on register. It shows a pop-up message that the register successfully. Then click on OK. After that clear all the things and move back. Click on login to login. Then enter the username. After that password, whatever password you have created, you can remember that password. On click this, you show your password, what password you enter in this box, for example this, and on click this, then it hide the password. Select the user type, I admin. After that enter the captcha. After that click on login, then it move to the admin page. It shows the message you are logged in as an admin. After that there are three phases in which you can: teacher registration, student registration, and employer registration. In this, on click on this button, you can easily go to the home page or reset and log out to move the login page. First of all, we move to the teacher registration. In this you can easily enter the any employee number, teacher name, whatever teacher name, enter the teacher's father name, whatever. After that fill all the details, whatever details it is asking for, fill all these things. After that select the date of birth, whatever date of birth of that teacher. Select month, and after that date of appointment, and select the gender from here. After that enter the contact number, email ID, enter the post here, what post, and enter in this text box you have to enter the title and enter the qualification, what qualification does teacher have. After that, click on add button to add the details in the text box. As you can see that the data should enter in the database. Then click OK. Then click on clear button to clear all the text from the text box. After that, if you want to search a teacher by their name, then enter the name, for example, and click on search. So then it's showing teacher name of that. Then after that, display, click on display all the data. Click clear. After that, move back. In this both term, this for student you can enter the same thing, but in this you have to enter the student details, and in this employee, just example, clerk, swipers, these employees for library management, these for those it needs. Move back, click. I have all the username because I have designed it, therefore I have all the password to access to different activities. I show you employees activities, what employees can view in this. For example, after that, for employee, select employee user type. After that, enter captcha, click on login. Then it shows the message login successfully. After that, you can click on this, then you can easily log out from here. In this attendance schedule, in this you can first of all select the class, which class, and subject. Of that, timing, what timing, and click on next button. After that, you can mark the attendance of the student. First of all, click present and click on all. It mark present to all. Then after that, choose according to the student what he or she came in the class or not. After that, click on select the subject name, and after that, save. It shows here how much of number of students present in the class. Then move back. Now move to the next thing, timetable. As you can teacher, you can view your timetable. According to that, you can take the class of that particular subject, and after that, move to upload marks for you. You can, in this the data already filled, therefore we clear that data and enter the student name, whatever student, select the subject, admission name, number. After that, enter the marks, what marks he got. After that, click on add. In this, the data enter in the database. You can see below, and if you click on clear, it clear all the data, and on click display, it display the data in the database. And move to the next thing, mark sheet. As a teacher, you can also create a mark sheet of the student. For example, I have entered the name and father name. After that, enter the admission number of the student, select the class and section. And if you click on result, it gives a message, you enter the marks. Therefore, you should enter the marks in the text box, what marks he got. I have enter the marks in the text box after of that student. You can also upload the photo of the student. For example, click on this upload button, and after that, select the photo of that particular student and click on open. Then you can, then click on result, you can the data saved. After that, you move to the dashboard and click on this button, and after that, log out. And these activities can be done by the teacher, and now I am showing you what activities can be done by the students. For example, As a student, I am entering the username, password, and the user type student, and enter the captcha thing. The name of the student is the same as the username. Then click on login. Select the correct user type, and after that click on login. It says the message you are logging as a student. This is the home page, or you say front page for the student. In this, the data, the information, what information sees. Then click user profile. In this, it shows the information of the students, what information, admission number, student name, father name, etc. Then click on new session register. In this, you can, if you pass out from that class and you have to enter the next class, then you can easily register from here. And on click result, you see that result is more than 5-6 times, because I have entered 2-3 times. You can see there. In this, you can check the attendance of that student according to date and subject, whatever subject. And after that, click on timetable. This is timetable allotted for the students, and to take the class according to them. On click this, you can view two things, home page and logout. On click home, you move to the first page of that student, and click on logout, you move to the login page. But before that, I show you one thing also. On click this, you see your student information as well as timetable in the next page. As you can see, this is the student information, and this is the timetable of the student. Then I click on home button to move to the home page, and after that log out. Yes, if you doesn't remember your username or password, then you directly click on forget username or password. Then this page open, and you can select. If you forget your password, then select the username, and after that enter the username. For example, I have this username, and I click on get button. It shows the password, as you can see. But when I select the password, and then I should enter the password here to get the username. For example, this is the password for the student, and I click on get. Then it shows your username is this. Move back. On click this, you move to the registration page. Same. Thank you. This is all about my project.